With the Street View tool, you can click on a road in the landmark map and get a link to the Google Street View page. To open the Street View tool, double-click the blue header to open the toolbar, then click on the Map tab, and then you'll click on the Street View button. The tool will open in the left side panel, and it'll give us a set of instructions to follow to use the tool. So first, we'll click on the Choose Road button. Then we'll click on the road that we want to see. So let's choose Old Alton Road. Now we'll click Submit, and the tool will give us a link to go to Google Street View. So we'll click that, and the Google page will open, and it'll put us in the exact location that we chose on the map and show us the street view. Now if you ever click on a road and go to Google and the screen is black, then that probably means that Street View hasn't gone through that road before. You can verify that by hovering over the small reference map, and if the road isn't highlighted in blue like these are, that means that Google Street View is not available for that area.